everyone, today I am going to show you how to do bold in text or how to use bold in text in 2024. If I want to do bold in whole text, then I will select whole text. Then I click on home menu and click on B. Then this text will be bold. Okay. If you want to remove the bold from the text, then select the whole text and click on B. Then bold will be removed. Now if you want to do bold in specific text, then select the specific text and click on B. Then it will be bold. This video is end up here. Please subscribe to my channel.